I recently had the honour of being involved with a project called Canoes. It was inspired by Michael. He moved down to Eden, and I told him about building canoes with kids. And he got in touch with me last year and said, "Dave, you still interested in building canoes?" I said, "Of course I am." And I ended up down in Eden late last year, and we built 3 canoes with Aboriginal teenagers over a 5-day period. They couldn't believe it when they fronted up Monday morning, and all they had was 2 sheets of plywood each and some pieces of pine to build their boats. And I said, "We're going to build a boat," and they looked at me like I was stupid. And by day 2, after we had it all cut out and stitched together, they said, "We're building a boat." And by Wednesday, it was, "My boat's better than your boat." And by Friday, we've got a boat and we've got it on the water. So this video runs through the sequence of events. There's a big thanks owed to Michael and Aussie Crews for putting it together. They put a lot of effort in. And the Eden Aboriginal Land Council as well that provided the shed, and a lot of people that came and looked during the week. So there was a continual stream of visitors checking out, and you'll see that in some of the video as well. So enjoy, and any questions, touch base with us at Drive Marine and we'll help you out. The girls have christened their boat the Echidna, very aptly named with all the cable ties hanging out. They're having a ball and doing a good job too.
During this week we started with some sheets of plywood and we made a boat. But before that it was a dream. Before that it was just talk. And Jack knows we talked, and Nathan knows we talked, and Dave knows we talked, and Steve knows we talked. And now it's not talk. We got a boat. And in a few minutes time, we are going to hop in these boats and prove that they float. And I think it's such a privilege to be here. It's so humbling for us to be here with you. I want to also honour today, there's 2 students who worked jolly hard this week who can't be with us today, Mataya and Jayla. And we want to honour them. They're doing the right thing by their body and by their family at the moment. and that means they can't be here today, but they will be here next week. And I just think we want to honour them, those two other students. And I like Nathan, I praise God that we can be here today. I feel totally humbled for this experience. Thank you.